Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Kia Stinger versus the Infiniti Q50. We'll dive into their performance, interior features, and overall driving experience. The Stinger boasts a robust V6 engine, providing exhilarating power and a sporty feel. Meanwhile, the Q50 counters with its own potent V6 options, ensuring a thrilling ride. Both vehicles are designed to offer a dynamic and engaging driving experience for enthusiasts. Let's explore what makes each car unique. Moving inside, the Kia Stinger presents a sleek, driver-centric interior, packed with intuitive technology and a user-friendly infotainment system. The Infiniti Q50, on the other hand, emphasizes luxury with its refined cabin, high-quality finishes, and advanced connectivity features. Both cars prioritize comfort and convenience, offering supportive seats and a host of amenities designed to enhance your journey. You'll find a premium feel in either choice. Hey everyone, if you're finding this comparison helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: if you're always on the go, like when you're driving your Stinger or Q50, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your snacks and meals fresh. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. When it comes to driving dynamics, the Kia Stinger truly shines with its athletic handling and a ride tuned for spirited driving. It feels nimble and engaging on winding roads. The Infiniti Q50 offers a more balanced approach, combining sporty performance with a comfortable ride suitable for daily commutes and longer trips. Both vehicles provide excellent road feedback and precise control, making them enjoyable to drive in various conditions. It really comes down to your preference. Considering practicality, the Kia Stinger's hatchback design offers surprising versatility, making it easy to load larger items. The Infiniti Q50, as a classic sedan, provides a generous trunk space, perfect for everyday needs. Both vehicles represent strong contenders in their class, offering a compelling blend of performance, features, and overall value. Your choice might depend on whether you prefer the added cargo flexibility or a more traditional sedan profile.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.